Hi, I'm Linda.
And I'm Kevin.
We're going to be teaching the one-day Retail Managers Bootcamp in Toronto this year on October 18th.
1 day packed with information, ideas, and skills that I promise you will have your managers performing at a higher level than ever before. In each of these short videos, we share with you just a little bit of content behind each of the 7 modules, if you can believe it, that we're going to be teaching. Next up is becoming the leader your teams need. This is always a phenomenal module because the content is really groundbreaking for your managers, but also because she teaches it.
Thanks, Kevin. The most successful managers have grown into strong leaders, and not because they are really effective taskmasters and great delegators. They're really good at running the operation. They have become strong leaders because they have the ability to influence and inspire their people to move to action. And that's really important. They move to action because they want to, not because they have to, because we told them to.
Right, and there's that old, that old adage in retail where we always say nobody's ever quit their company. They've only ever quit their boss. And
that's right.
That's why this module is so important for everybody to go through.
Absolutely. The outcome that we're all looking for is, taking corporate strategy and executing it flawlessly through our front line. We're looking for consistency on execution of standards and values. And so that our teams, not only our teams, but our customers can have an amazing experience in our stores.
And we know that doesn't happen unless you've got a leader running your store, not just a manager.
Right. I'm passionate about this course. Finally, this is for the managers. We're bringing our managers in and we're teaching them, how to be the most effective leaders. And as I said, I'm truly passionate and crazy about running this course, as you know.
Yeah.
And this time I'm excited about it because it's for the managers. It's not just for the district managers and the VPs.
Absolutely.
It's for the managers.
And it's great. Watching it from the sidelines, you see the light bulb go on for the managers.
Right.
Because they view their job in a completely different way. It's going to be a great module. It's part of an amazing program. So do yourself a favor. Get your manager signed up for this program while there's still some seats available.
We'll see you soon.